everyone, I'm Miss Donna B, and I'm a makeup artist. And for today, ayan, today's Monday, and I'm going to share one of the hot topic and questions na nasi-share sa ating group, which is how to become a makeup artist. Yan. So, yung share ko sa inyo is based on my experience. So, I'm going to share 5 steps on how I become a makeup artist. For one step is to find a mentor. Ayan, yun po yung una kong ginawa when I'm interested to this job. So, I have a friend, si CK. Nakita ko siya, nagme-makeup siya sa hotel, sa artista. So, minessage ko siya. So, I asked her on how to become a makeup artist, and I'm so grateful that she's so generous na talagang she became my first mentor on how I become a makeup artist. So, shinare niya sa akin yung kung saan ako mag-aaral, tapos ano yung mga products na bibiling ko or i-invest ko to start with.